What's good, CNE Squad? I was thinking it's about time Cameron does a little bit of work in one of these pranks. So I'm about to call him, and I'm going to tell him that our car broke down.
Turn on the neutral, I'm just going to push it all the way home.
You're going to push it all the way home?
Yeah.
So I was out driving, and I don't know if y'all can tell, but your girl is stranded right now. And we do only have one car, for those of y'all that don't know that. So when I call him, it's gonna be like a double whammy. Because one, he has to get out here. I don't know if he's gonna walk here, run here, maybe he'll bike here, but either way, he has to actually get out to me without a car. And then when he gets here, he has to try and fix the car. Now, I don't know if he's gonna be mad at me for having the car break down. This has actually happened a couple times to me. One time, I got something stuck in the tire, which was not my fault. He wasn't mad about that one. But another time, back in California, I ran out of gas. And then actually another time, like the radiator overheated. So he's gonna be out here thinking like I always mess up the car. So I'm gonna call him, tell him to come out here. He's gonna try and fix it. And it's cold. I know y'all might see the sun and think it's not cold, but it is cold out here. So I think when I tell him it's a prank, he's gonna be mad about this one. And some of y'all were mad about the last prank he pulled on me, so this is some perfect revenge. And if y'all are excited to see how Cameron's gonna react, I need 2,000 likes on this video, and let's do this. We're about to call him, and hopefully he gets out here kind of soon, because your girl is parked somewhere she should not be parked. If he answers.
Hello?
Hey, I need your help.
Hold on. Hello?
I need your help. The car won't start.
What do you mean the car won't start?
I mean, it won't start. Like, I was driving and it made a weird sound, and I turned it off, and now I can't get it to start again.
Where are you at?
I mean, I got into a neighborhood, but, like, so I'm not, like, in, like, a crazy, like, crowded area, but I don't know what to do. I can't get it to start.
What kind of sound did it make?
Like, I don't know, like a... And then, like, I don't know. I can't... It's hard to describe this.
Is it overheated?
Cameron, I don't know. I just know it won't start. It could be. I didn't see any smoke or anything, but...
Alright, where you at?
I'll send you my location, I guess. And then bring the vlog camera so we can, like, try to vlog our lives a little more.
Alright, but where are you at? Like, drop me your location.
Yeah, I'll send it to you.
Alright.
Alright, bye. Love you.
Oh, love you too, bye.
Okay, I don't think he was too mad about me being broken down. Like I said, I don't know how he's gonna get here. I don't know how long it's gonna take to get here, and hopefully he actually brings the camera so y'all can see more than just the inside of this car.
What's good, CNE Squad? Right now, I've just received some unfortunate news from Eden. She's actually out right now, and the car broke down. That's honestly the worst news that you can possibly hear when you're sitting around playing video games and knowing that you only got one car. I've got to actually head out there, figure out where she's at, and lucky me, since we only got one car, I get to get some exercise today. I got to jump on a bike and go see what's going on, make sure my girl's safe.
Your girl is still stranded out here, and there's no Cameron, so it's time to check in on him and make sure he ain't, like, taking his sweet time over there. Hey.
Hey, what's up?
You good? How far away are you?
I'm good. I'm pulling up in a second.
Are you walking?
Far away?
Are you walking?
No, I'm riding a bike.
Oh, I was wondering how you were gonna get here.
Huh?
I was wondering how.
You're about to get hit.
You're about to get hit?
I got hit by that car right there.
Putting your life in danger for me.
I'm literally pulling up in like 2 seconds.
Okay, I tried one more time and it still won't start, so sooner the better.
I'm doing it. You don't want to fill up the fuel line.
Okay, alright, well, I'll see you when you get here.
Alright.
Alright, bye. Okay, so yeah, he's out here riding his bike to get here, and like I said, it's low-key. I actually legit see him coming, so it is prank time, y'all. Hopefully he's not too mad at me. Hey.
Yeah. Does it have any gas?
I think so. I don't think gas is the problem.
You know, you didn't let gas run out before.
That was so long ago.
No gas. Are there any other lights on?
I don't think so. I mean, they're not on now, obviously, because, like, the car's not on. But I don't think I saw any when they were on, when it was on.
Oh, freaking goodness.
What
You're gonna have
do
to
you
pop the
mean?
hood. No, because it only happens when you're doing it.
No, it happens all the time.
No, it literally happens every time you're driving the car or something. Something always happens. Like you had the front thing fall off because you just wasn't paying attention. It probably made a sound beforehand.
That front thing was you.
Yeah, no, I know you ain't put that on
I'm
me.
being serious.
Aiden, can you pop the hood?
I'm popping it. Is it hot?
I'm trying to figure that out.
Alright. He's mad, y'all. It wasn't like smoking or anything.
No, it's got coolant in it. That's the first thing you check is coolant. I'm trying to. You should know to do that. Coolant. There's coolant in it.
I figure it's safer if I just have you come out and kind of do it all.
Yeah, because I mean, basically, you can basically see everything. It's fine if you call me or whatever, but you just got to make sure. This, if you ever by yourself, you just got to make sure this thing is full of coolant. And you got to go ahead and try to start it when you hear the sound that's making.
Alright, let me try to start.
Yeah, when you try to start it.
Okay. Did anything happen? Did I am. I'm pressing it. Did it?
You pressing it?
Yeah.
Really ain't doing much. There's no really turnover or anything like that.
Okay.
So, ain't no lights coming on or anything.
I mean, the engine light's on, but I think it's just on because
The engine light's on?
but it's on because like all the lights turn on when we press the button, right?
Oh my freaking goodness. So what I'm gonna need you to do, hold it.
You just hit your head. Are you okay?
I'm gonna need you to get up off the curb.
Okay.
When you turn it on the neutral, because you're gonna turn it on the neutral, I'm just gonna push it all the way home.
You're gonna push it all the way home?
Yeah, it's better to push it home and figure out what's going on and have it towed and then figure out what's going on. I might be able to fix it.
Get you a man like Cameron. So we're a distance. It's up.
Get you a man like Cameron. Get you a woman who every time she touches something, it turns into this.
No, you see, I knew.
She makes me go to work.
I knew you were gonna be mad about the car.
I'm not mad. I'm just trying to make sure everything is right. We need to hurry up and get home.
Okay.
Put that in neutral, and I'm just gonna push it home. And we're only like a mile away, so I think I can do it.
Okay. All right.
All right.
Use those muscles.
Use those muscles.
Yeah.
So it's gonna take a minute.
I know. I mean, you gotta push a mile, so.
Yeah, so look, you gotta turn the wheel that way. You gotta turn it that way, okay?
That way?
Turn it that way because you're on the curb right now.
I'm on the curb right now.
Yeah,
Okay.
You parked in the worst position ever to try to get going. And then it's uphill from here.
Okay, well, yeah, I didn't do it on purpose. Neutral. Wait. It's not in neutral yet. Hold on.
So you gotta turn it on.
It's on. It's already on. So just
step on the brake and put it in neutral.
boom. Right. Look at your girl doing stuff right.
Something, didn't you?
All right. So turn it to the left,
You only brake when I tell you to brake.
Yeah, it's not.
Brake beforehand because you're gonna make me mess up back here. Okay.
Okay. Gotcha.
All right. I'm pushing.
All right. So turn it to the left. All right. I'm turning.
Way left.
All right. More left.
Way left.
I'm trying. It's kind of hard when the car's not on.
Ooh, we moving now. We moving now.
Look at him back there.
Okay, go right, go right.
This is your workout.
Go right, go right.
Oh,
Listen.
wait, sorry. Right.
All right.
You haven't been hitting the treadmill, so this is good for you.
This is good for me.
It is.
This ain't good for
You've
nobody.
missed like 3 workout days, legit.
Eden, do you want to check out what shoes I got on right now?
What shoes do you have
I got
on?
on some J's that you messing up. So when I buy another pair, that's on you.
You're not wearing like good J's, are you?
You want to brake right now?
No. It's uphill.
Hey, push the brake, push the brake. It's coming
Push
back.
the brake? Okay. All right. You good?
Is that tough to push this thing?
I mean, I guess.
All right, hey, look.
I wouldn't know.
Right,
I'm sitting in the car, but.
Let's go. I'm going to give it a good push this time. Let's go.
You said what?
Let go of the brake. I'm going to give it a good push.
Let it go?
Yeah.
All right. Yo, oh my gosh, you're making all those sounds too. you good? I'm not really steering it. Is it good?
You think that's funny or something?
No, I mean, I'm proud of you. You're doing such a good job.
Hey, stop, push the brake. Push the brake.
Push the brake?
Yeah.
Okay. You want me to park? You want me to put it in park? Alright. You good?
I'm good. Oh my freaking goodness.
Is it cold outside?
What you mean is it cold out here?
Are your hands good? Getting frostbite or anything?
I just gotta move the bike every single time we go too.
You are really,
You got me out here working.
You are really breathing.
Oh my freaking goodness.
Yeah, should I actually make him push it all the way home? That is the question, because we still have like a good amount to go uphill, and it's even more uphill when we like turn this corner right here. So look at him back there on his little bike. He's so cute. Want me to put it back in neutral?
Yeah, I thought it was in neutral.
No.
Do it.
All right, we're good.
You gotta let go of the brake.
Yeah.
Ugh. We strong, baby. Ooh.
The squad's gonna think you're like Superman.
I've been Superman. Ooh. Ooh. Yeah, you gonna owe me another pair of Jordans.
Get it? Yeah. Think of how swole you're gonna look after this.
I don't know if I can get this up here.
Wait, whoa, whoa. You gotta tell me to brake before you just let go.
And you pay attention.
Whoa.
You over here recording and stuff, pay attention.
Well, I'm doing a vlog. Okay, are you good? Tell the squad how you feel right now.
Exhausted.
On a scale of 1 to 10, how's the workout?
1 to 10 is exhausted. I'm literally exhausted. This junk ain't no joke.
I was telling
I don't know if you ever pushed a car before. You probably haven't. I know you haven't. But if y'all ever pushed a car,
I mean, low key.
I think I made it about.
Pushed a car.
I think I made it like 1/10.
So
1/10 of the way.
So what do we do now?
It's only been a few minutes. I just need a little break. If I make it uphill, I think I can do it. You know?
Yeah, you're honestly really close. Like, let me show you guys that there's not too much more. Like, you know, you just gotta get around that little corner right there and we in there.
Yeah, sounds easy when you're sitting inside the driver's seat, huh?
I believe in you though. I think you can do it.
My goodness. I might have to call somebody.
You said you was pushing it all the way home.
That's before I did it. You ready?
I'm ready. Wait. It's still in park. It's still in park.
You gotta put it in neutral then.
Yeah, okay. Neutral. Alright, it's in neutral.
Ooh. Ooh. It's hard to get it going, but once you get it going. Ooh.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Am I doing good on the...
Look at it. Ooh.
Oh, wait. Too far left.
All right. Stop it. Stop.
Stop. Whoa.
I'm done. I can't do this.
Done? I don't know. I mean, you are tired. I don't know.
I'm more than tired.
You tried really hard, though. I want you to know I'm proud of you.
You proud of me?
I'm proud of you, yeah.
No, it's just too much.
Right.
I feel like I could have did this a little long ago.
Let me try and start it one more time. I think I'm feeling good about this time, all right?
Eden, you don't want to keep on putting fuel inside of it. You will put fuel inside the gas line. Too much fuel.
I know that, but if you're not going to push it anymore, then we just...
Eden, then we need to call somebody. You don't want to mess up the car.
Cameron, let's just drive home, okay?
What do you mean just drive home?
Let's just drive home. It started! What the heck?
Eden, what do you mean, what the heck?
Whoa, it started! It's just a prank.
You got me out here looking silly and it's just a prank?
He pushed it so far. Yeah, you did such a good job.
No, this is not a good job.
You did a really good job.
No, you got me out here sweating and everything. I'm out here sweating and everything.
He really
over here messing up my legs. Look at these,
really?
man. You messed up my Jordans. You see that big old giant crease now?
You only got creases in the J's. Men, don't be mad at me, but I need a team Eden down below. Like I said, I also need 2,000 likes.
Not even funny.
What do you mean?
No, it's not even funny. You got me out here looking silly. I'm over here riding a bike out here and doing this stuff, trying to make sure you okay, and you got me out here looking silly.
I'm thankful. Don't be mad. You denied me food, all right? This is revenge for that.
All right. That's the way you're going to play it.
Yeah.
That's the way you're going to play it.
Well, Kim, we'll put the cart in the...
Hee ha ha. Y'all don't want to see what I got
Are
coming.
you going to put the bike in the trunk or something?
No, I'm going to ride it home.
I
don't trust you.
Cameron. Cameron. Cameron, get back here. Cameron. All right, fine. Go. Do your thing, all right? Bye. Like I was saying, if you're Team Eden, give me a Team Eden down below. Y'all hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. Get this video 2,000 likes. Also, post notification shout out goes to Sunny's Boxing Talk. Thanks for being part of the squad and watching our videos. And if y'all want to post notification shout out, you just gotta subscribe, turn on your post notification bell, and you gotta comment down below for me. Now I gotta see if I can still beat hit home. But until next time, we out.